How much does it cost to replace a bad starter relay?
Hello, and welcome to this explanatory video. Today, we're going to discuss the cost of replacing a bad starter relay in your vehicle. This small but crucial component is responsible for initiating the process that starts your car. If it's faulty, it can cause numerous problems, including preventing your car from starting altogether. Knowing the costs and steps involved in replacing a starter relay can save you both time and money.
What is a starter relay?
The starter relay is an electrical switch that sends power from your vehicle's battery to the starter motor. This happens when you turn your car's ignition key. If this relay goes bad, your vehicle won't start. You'll probably hear a clicking noise but no engine turnover.
How much does a starter relay cost?
The price of a starter relay can vary significantly depending on your car's make and model. Generally speaking, though, you can expect to pay anywhere from $15 to $50 for a new starter relay. This price does not include the labor cost if you choose to have a professional mechanic replace the component for you.
How much does it cost to replace a starter relay professionally?
Labor costs for replacing a starter relay can also differ, based on where you live and whether you're going to a dealership or an independent mechanic. On average, you can expect labor costs to range from $75 to $125. This means that, all told, having a professional replace your starter relay can cost between $90 and $175.
Can you replace a starter relay yourself?
Yes, with the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can replace a starter relay yourself. You will need to buy the part, but you can save on labor costs. If you decide to do it yourself, be sure to follow the specific instructions in your vehicle service manual to avoid damaging other components. Knowing the costs associated with replacing a starter relay can help you budget for this type of car repair. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, keep in mind that a functioning starter relay is crucial for your vehicle's operation. We hope this video has provided valuable information that can help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.